Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Nelson here, and in today's video I'll be going over the big trade that happened last week on the platform for Universe Trading. Now when I say big trade, it was only 3.7%, but it was just the biggest trade that they had done on the whole platform. So for the history of the platform, that's the biggest one they've done. Everybody got a very good payout for that. So that's pretty cool. Here on the main dashboard now, I'm going to show you a few new things that they've implemented, and then I'll go over the trade. All right. So I'm still going back and forth between the two, like the old website and the new one, but just because they haven't fully transitioned over to this one yet. There's still some bugs and kinks that they need to work out, but they're getting to it. So every week is something new happening, and they're finally transitioning over properly. So as you can see here, they've changed the new dashboard here. So they've got the main logo there now, better background, and they also have the FAQs here on the front. So if you have some questions that you need answered fast, you could probably check out the FAQs because a lot of them might be answered in there. Otherwise, you can go down to the help desk here on the left-hand side, which is now implemented all in the dashboard. Okay, so when they first launched this new dashboard on the website, it would take you to an external sort of thing. So, but now it's all implemented in there. So yeah, you can click on the FAQs. It will take you to a whole bunch of them that you can go ahead and ask questions about. So once it loads, there we go. So yeah, you can do all that in there. You can check, it's got here how to get started, and deposits and withdrawals, trading, partner program, general information. So all that sort of stuff. But yeah, so on the dashboard now, as you can see, my balance has grown. I do have a Bitcoin balance now, and that's just because for the profit share from your team, it's now automatically getting transferred over here just because they're still transitioning, like I said. But that's fine. I'm fine with that. Having some Bitcoin there, growing as well. But yeah, right now like I said, they're still transitioning over, but it's all good. Everything's still fine. They still haven't yet implemented the referral programs here on this main dashboard, so I'm still using the old one. All right, so if I click on over to my trading accounts here, so I've got the Bitcoin and the USD. So unfortunately, you can't see, it's not logged on here on this website about the trade. So you've got, it's backed up to like 2022, 109 of them, but they're not, they're all like, so they got some from here from the start of the year, and it goes all the way up to May, end of May, all right, was the last one. And then it just, for some reason, just glitches back to last year, 2022, December. So, and then if you keep going again, you can see that it goes all the way back to the end of May again. So, but that's all right. That's fine. I'm like, as I said, I'm still transitioning in between both websites because I want to see everything. So you can also, if you click on here, you can see that you can download one of these apps and you can look at all the trades yourself. All right. So I haven't done that yet, so I'm not going to talk about that. But I know that you can do it, and I will get to that eventually. But I am going to switch over to the old website now just to show you guys the trade that happened and how much profit that we made on the account and all that sort of stuff. All right, guys, so we are on back on the old dashboard now from the old website. So I've logged in, and as you can see, it gives me my total balance up here. That's something that the other dashboard is missing, and I hope that it does implement that in the future. So it's got the total of both my accounts, right? So I've got my USD here, and then I've got my Bitcoin, and it will translate the Bitcoin into USD for you at the top there. So it's pretty cool. So we're sitting at $1,412.08 now. That will fluctuate because of Bitcoin. So check that every day. It will either go up and down just due to the market value of Bitcoin. All right. So if you click on here, and we choose from last week to this week, okay, you can see that there were 3 trades made, and our profit for that one was $37.66. That's a big profit right there. The next one was a very small one at $1.49, but that brings our total profit for last week at $39.16. Now that's really good for our account. you know, considering that was just one trade right there that they did there. So that was pretty cool. I'm like extremely happy with that, of how that turned out. Everybody was, I've seen like a lot of in the Telegram group, a lot of screenshots from people posting up there how much balance they got from that, and that was really cool to see that. A lot of people are making bank on that, you know. That was like, some people made well over the average person's monthly wage or income just in that one trade alone. So that's pretty crazy. So, and that just goes to show, like, once you start adding more money to this, you know, you can earn more money. So, and again, completely passive, nothing, I don't have to do anything. I just, you know, jump on there, put my money on, and then it works for me. 60% I get, and 40% the platform gets. So I got $39 last week from a 60-40 split. So you can imagine how much that would have been if it was 100%, you know. So it would have been a little bit more, maybe 60, 65. I don't know the math on that, but you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, anyway, guys, that's just what I want to talk about today in today's video, is just to show you guys that there was a big trade last week on Monday, on the 5th, and it was the biggest one for Universe Trading's platform history. So that was really cool, and they sent out, you know, a lot of stuff in the Telegram group, congratulating everybody on a good win, and, you know, all the customers are happy and everything like that, which we all were. So that's pretty cool. And then also on top of that, in the partnership here, so all my clients underneath me, you know, I got a good chunk of money from that as well. So I think I ended the week with about $90 or $95. That was really cool to see that. So, and that was just from all my clients as well. I get like a small percentage from, not from their profit, but from the platform's 40% profit, like I always say in every video. So, and you know, and that just goes to show you, it's another way that you can earn some money, right? So I just earned $39 just from my account alone. And then I think it was like another $50 or something like that from my client. So that's pretty cool. So that's why I like this platform a lot. So far, so good. I think everybody should be looking at something like this. Like, again, it's only $100 minimum deposit. Chuck it in, try it out for a little bit. I've got new clients on about 2-3 weeks ago, and they have just put on, you know, $100 or $200, and they just want to try it out for a month or so. And they all got a nice good chunk out of that. You know, it's not a lot because I only had like a few $100s on there, but it's enough for them to see, oh wow, okay, I can actually make some money with this. So yeah, potentially they can put some more money on and earn a lot more than that. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I wanted to talk about today in today's video. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, hit me up in the comments. I reply to everybody. And yeah, if you guys are interested in the Telegram groups and that, let me know as well. I'll chuck the links down below. It's a German company, so the main Telegram groups are in German and English, but then all the other ones are private ones from different influencers and stuff like that, who have their own community of people that are in Trust Universe or Universe Trading, right? Again, same company, they just changed the name. They're transitioning over into the new dashboard, and once that's done, then this website will disappear. So, but because there's a lot of bugs at the moment in the new one and stuff like that, especially with their big focus being on Universe Academy, then this is still open for everyone that wants to check daily and do all their stuff like that. So, with no bugs. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys found this video very informational. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See you.